Hey there. Welcome to our channel. If you enjoy what you hear today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By joining us, you could even own 20% of our revenue. Let's embark on this fitness journey together. We guarantee that every workout will be fun, and in just 30 days, you'll be amazed by the slimmer, fitter body staring back at you in the mirror. Ready to take the first step towards your transformation? Let's get started. Don't worry about the timer, I'll count for you. Exercise 1: Full plank. Position: lie down with your belly on the floor. Raise your body on your straight arms and toes, keeping it horizontal. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Action: hold this position for 60 seconds. Ready? The countdown starts now. The plank is one of the best exercises for core conditioning. It strengthens your abs, glutes, and hamstrings, supports proper posture, and improves balance. Keep holding. Inhale, exhale. You're doing great. Just 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. Let's move on to the next exercise. Exercise 2: Elbow plank. Position: lie on your belly. Raise your body on your elbows and toes, keeping it horizontal. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Ready? Go. The elbow plank is a fundamental yoga pose that energizes your body for the whole day. Remember to breathe normally. 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. You're amazing. Exercise 3: Raised leg plank. Position: assume the elbow plank position. Raise your right leg to the level of your glutes or higher and breathe normally. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch to the left leg. Raising your legs in this position works your back, abs, chest, neck, shoulders, glutes, and back thighs. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale. 3, 2, 1. Great job. Now switch legs and hold. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Exercise 4: Left side plank. Position: turn to your left side and place your left elbow directly under your shoulder. Keep your legs straight and push your bottom and waist up to form a diagonal line. Action: hold for 30 seconds. The side plank strengthens your abdominal side muscles and keeps your waist slim. It's also great for your shoulders and arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Exercise 5: Right side plank. Position: turn to your right side and place your right elbow directly under your shoulder. Keep your legs straight and push your bottom and waist up to form a diagonal line. Action: hold for 30 seconds. Maintain your balance and don't sink in the shoulder. You're doing fantastic. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Just 2 more exercises to go. Exercise 6: Full plank again. Position: raise your body on your straight arms and toes, keeping it horizontal. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Hold for 30 seconds. Ensure your palms are directly under your shoulders. You're a plank superhero. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Exercise 7: Elbow plank again. Position: raise your body on your elbows and toes, keeping it horizontal. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Action: hold for 60 seconds. Keep your glutes down and maintain that straight line. You're a superstar. Just 30 seconds more, you've got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You did it. You are a plank master. Daily workout plan summary. Full plank 1 minute. Elbow plank 30 seconds. Raised leg plank, right leg 30 seconds. Left leg 30 seconds. Left side plank 30 seconds. Right side plank 30 seconds. Full plank 30 seconds. Elbow plank 1 minute. Once you're ready to intensify your workout, try not to lie down between exercises. Keep your body up while changing arm positions. You can do it. Have you tried plank exercises before? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay on the bright side of life.